Hi everyone, this is Fahim, and if you want to change this currency sign from Arabic to AED, let me show you the old website. So they have this currency sign in AED, and I was redesigning their website, and it has the Arabic currency sign. And if you want to change this into the AED currency sign, I have written down a simple piece of code, and I will share this piece of code in the video description. You can just need to copy and paste. Okay, so let me guide you. Just go to the website dashboard and then go to the appearance. Under appearance, click on theme file editor. So this is very simple. Currently I'm using electro child theme, and I'm if you are using the child theme, uh, just make sure you have choose the right theme file. Then click on php function. Okay, and paste this piece of code. Update the file. Now let's go to the back on our website, and yes, we have used our currency sign successfully. What it does with it is actually change the Arabic sign of symbol of currency into the English. Hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.